Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Friday, January 20th. Time is around 2 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of oil. This is a 90 minutes chart here, and we can see we finished with 1 in the minor degree here around 81.5, and then the pullback in the wave 2 ended at $72.46. Since then, oil rally again, and you can see in the high here broke above the previous peak, so that actually confirms that this is the next leg higher in oil already starting, right? And then now you can see in the rally also looks impulsive, 5 waves with a subdivision 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we are looking for a 3-ways pullback, right? We're looking for 3-ways pullback, which will correct this 5-ways rally, and as long as we continue to stay above 72.46, we could see another leg higher again afterwards. Now, shorter cycle, couple of possible options. Now, for example, the P could be finished here. Like if there is any slight adjustment in the shorter cycle, that doesn't mean it is wrong. It's just you cannot possibly get every single 1 minute swing correct, right? So for example, if we break down from here, then you just simply move the P here, and then basically we are already in the C, right? Now another option is gonna be that we actually don't break down at all, and we're just gonna go higher. Now that also is not necessarily wrong, because the right side is up. It is a bullish sequence, so if there is any pullback, that is a counter trend that you are not supposed to do anything about it, right? So because if the trend is higher, what you are doing is simply you just wait for a pullback if you want to be trading. So in trading, it is very important to choose a site, which is safer to do, which is safer to trade. And in this case, if the trend is bullish, then you just choose the bullish side and looking to buy the dips instead of trying to, for example, trying to do every single little swing, right? Now, so if it breaks higher, we can simply call with 2 completed here, and then that's it. We are starting with 3 already. Okay, so now let's zoom out and get some ideas a little bit in the larger time frame. I'm gonna copy this 1 and 2 in the minor degree here into the 4-hour time frame, which is over here, 1 and 2. So basically we're looking at the lows here from December 2022, right? And then from there we start the rally, and again we already broke above that previous peak with 1 here, as we can see also in the 90 minutes chart before. So that means we do have a high bullish sequence. So if we just simply measure the extension from December 2022 with respect to 1 and 2 here, now you can see we got the 100% extension, $83.90, all the way up to 1.618 extension to $90.95. So this is a potential target on the upside here. And again, for the time being, we cannot rule out another leg lower, right? We cannot rule out another leg lower to basically correct this cycle. And then once the correction is finished in 3 waves, then we can continue to go higher again. All right, so for the updates on oil or any other commodities, as well as looking at the higher time frame, the full count, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. We also currently run a flash sale from the platinum and diamond plan with a 50% off for a limited time, so you might want to check that out as well. So see you all again next week, and have a nice weekend, everyone.